Are you a passionate wood carver? Are you looking for the best chainsaw for carving that can precisely handle all filigree contours and ornamental cuts? Are you an arborist, chainsaw carver, or orchardist searching for chainsaws to take care of and maintain trees? Then a good eye for chainsaw buying is necessary in each case. Let us do this work for you. If you are busy or have no idea how to get the ideal wood carving equipment, please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best chainsaw for carving. Let's get started. Number 5. Makita XCU04PT LXT Brushless Cordless. Powerful enough. The Modica, a cordless power tool, is a perfect choice for carving due to its power and speed. Its outer rotor BL brushless motor provides enough power comparable to any 32 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw. Variable speed. Not only efficient power, but the Modica XCU03PT also has a variable speed trigger that facilitates working at various speeds. The chain works at a high rate of 3,940 fpm to provide efficient carving. Toolless chain adjustment. And if you are tired of chain tensioning and want a hassle-free chain adjustment, then Modica XCU03PT is the best choice for your carving projects. This innovative equipment has a toolless chain tensioning system that does not require additional tools. Plus, the auto lubrication trait gives prominence among all other chainsaws and makes it an easy-to-deal tool. LXT lithium-ion battery. Moreover, it has rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that are lighter, easy to use, provide longer run times, and charge quickly. Number 4. Black + Decker Cordless Chainsaw. If you don't like mixing gas and oil, fumes and noise, then Black + Decker is the best chainsaw for carving you. Working on DIY projects with this productive tool will benefit you a lot. The Black + Decker LCS 1240 cordless chainsaw is designed for professional use and features a powerful 40V motor. The saw comes equipped with a 12-inch bar and chain and weighs just under 10 pounds. Automatic chain lubrication. Likewise, an automatic chain lubrication system reduces friction between the sprocket teeth and the chain links. Friction causes wear and tear on both parts. If not adequately maintained, chains can become damaged and may even break. Thus, this feature enhances the life of the tool. Powerful battery. The Black + Decker chainsaw's powerful 40V motor provides plenty of power for cutting wood and branches, brushing, and shaping the wood to your desired outlook. Its 20-amp battery pack offers enough juice to run the saw an average of 64 times 4-foot lumber cuts before recharging. Number 3. Greenworks 40V Cordless Chainsaw. Greenwork Cordless Chainsaw is a compact 40V chainsaw that is safe and lightweight. But don't judge it by its outlook. The power and performance of the chainsaw are impeccable. Portable size. If you are looking for a powerful but compact chainsaw, this Greenwork tool will handle all your problems. Well designed. Greenworks chainsaws are well designed and cut like a pro. The translucent oil tank, auto chain tension, and manual lubrication can solve carvers' problems and help them save time and focus on their creative work. Easy to handle. Moreover, these cordless chainsaws for carvers are best due to their battery backup. The toolless chain tensioning makes the adjustment hassle-free, plus the wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip and fatigue-less operation. Moreover, the oversold grip reduces vibration and puts less pressure on your fingers and wrist while working. Number 2. Oregon CS1500 Corded Electric Chainsaw. Oregon CS1500 is a corded electric chainsaw with an 18-inch guide bar with a fascinating feature of a self-sharpening tool. You can carve big logs with it, and we rest assured that its cutting speed is marvelous. High-power motor. This change can easily cut thick tree trunks with longer blades and an impressively high power motor. The 15-amp motor can take care of almost any wood you want to shape and can astonish people around you. Automatic oiling system. Likewise, an automatic oiling system and viewable window for viewing the oil level make life easier while carving your project. There is no need to lubricate your chain manually, saving you time. Toolless chain adjustment. The simple and rapid toolless chain tensioning system allows you to adjust chain tension without any tool. Number 1. DeWalt 20V XR Chainsaw. The DeWalt 20V Max XR chainsaw is designed for professional use and features a powerful engine that delivers high performance and long-lasting power. The saw comes with a tool-only package, meaning no battery pack is included. The saw features a variable speed trigger system that provides precise control over the cutting depth and chain tension. The saw includes a safety guard that prevents accidental operation. A 2-year warranty backs the saw. Efficient cutting. DeWalt cordless chainsaws are comfortable and best for carving wood. This battery-powered chainsaw is economically designed with a brushless motor that can facilitate high-efficiency carving work. Plus, the tool-free tensioning and bar tightening feature helps easily adjust the chain by yourself without any hassle. Long runtime. Moreover, its batteries are long-lasting, facilitate your carving work for a long time, and are compatible with many 20V batteries that can interchangeably be used with the tool. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.